Okay, so this is the first item in my little haul. I thought this little kitty was so cute. I know it's Halloween, but honestly, I picked it up because it's a cat, and if you couldn't tell from my YouTube name, I love me some cats. I love cats. I'm a cat person, but I love dogs too, don't get me wrong. Okay, so moving on. I thought that was so cute, and of course, $1. Can't beat it. Let me just show you. It's not a huge amount, but it's a bag, which is cool. I'm excited. Okay, so the next thing, I got some flowers. There's one of them. I just thought these were so cute, and the shape and size is going to be perfect for a DIY that I'm going to do soon. I hope it works out, and I hope to show you guys. Let me set them down. Haven't figured out a perfect camera angle yet, but at least this way you can see what I'm showing you. Okay, so there's that. So cute. Then it's not fall without leaves, especially where I'm from. And here this is. It's just a bunch of leaves. And these little like berry things. Gosh, I hope I didn't just rip one off. They're very cute. And also I'm going to use this in a DIY. Alrighty. Have another bunch of flowers. These ones I got because they're just little and they're cute, and also I'm gonna use them in my DIY. I just thought they were so cute and fall. Most of their fall decorations, at least at my Dollar Tree, are very picked over. I'm kind of late, but better late than never. So yeah, so cute. And then found this for $1, obviously, Dollar Tree. It's just little cat ears, and it has a little tail that comes with this little kit. See it? Nope. And then a little bow. Just thought for $1, it's pretty cute. They almost look like bear ears, just because of the shape. I mean, it's definitely a cat, but they're not as pointy as some ears that I have seen. Still so cute, but that's just something to keep in mind when you see these. Anywho, I couldn't pass them up because, I mean, it's a cat.
This set of cat ears, so cute. Comes with a little bow again. Yeah, that's a better picture. And a little tail. Just a little tail. Let's see it. Little fuzzy ears. These ones are so cute. I would say they're my favorite of the two. And then I just got some little doodads. Okay, so I got a scrunchie. Just because it's a nice scrunchie, and for a DIY, yeah. And then I just thought this was so cool. I've seen this, of course, all over, and the Dollar Tree has been having these a lot. And I thought maybe I could do this with a DIY, like use it in a DIY. But if not, it's still cute for what it is, which is a cup holder. So anyway, super excited about that one, sorry. I will get this down eventually. It's just so fun to do that. Yeah, push it back. So aesthetically pleasing. Anyway. And then I know Christmas is closer than I want to admit, but this is for a DIY. I think that I could use this for something other than it's a tree skirt, which actually is, I mean, that's a pretty good deal for $1. But I just thought this material was so cute and pretty, and yeah, I figured there's quite a bit that I could do with this. Anyway, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I got this guy, it's a little cat. Actually, it looks like this. I got this at Kohl's a couple weeks ago, and it was on sale. And anyway, it's a cat, so of course I had to have it. It was on sale. It was like $3.99. Yeah, kind of unrelated, but not really. Anyway. Anywho, hope you enjoyed this haul slash kind of a little walkthrough. It's my first one.
Don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.